How to fix iPhone camera black screen problem. So if you want to fix your iPhone camera black screen problem, then what you need to do is open your camera. After that, check the front camera and the back camera as well. You'll have on the bottom right, you will have the reverse option. You can just simply click on it and then you will have your problem solved. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. From your settings, you need to just simply scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of general, tap on general, and then go with iPhone storage. Once you go with iPhone storage, just wait for a few seconds and you need to make sure that you need to have at least one free GB, then your problem will be solved. Many times when the storage is full, you might find some kind of problems. After that, inside the settings, you will have an option of screen time. Just scroll down a bit and then you'll find screen time, tap on it. Now you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find content and privacy restrictions, tap on it. Then you need to go with allowed apps and features and turn the option on. You need to make sure that all of the options are turned on right here and your problem might be solved. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go back and you need to go with your general section on your settings. Scroll down a bit, go with general, go with software update. And if you have any updates, you need to tap on update now or update tonight. And by tomorrow, your problem might be fixed. If that does fix your problem, then you just need simply scroll down a bit from your general and then go with transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and reset all of your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.